Antonio, and my chosen philosophies of education is essentialism. So, overview essentialism in education is a philosophy that focuses on teaching core subjects like reading, writing, math, science, and history thoroughly. It emphasizes traditional academic knowledge, a teacher centered approach, and a disciplined learning environment to prepare students with essential skills. So, background essentialism in education emerged in the early 20th century as a response to progressive education. It gained popularity in the mid 20th century, influenced by the post World War II emphasis on academic rigor for global competitiveness. So, essentialism was further supported by federal policies like the National Defense Education Act of 1958, highlighting the importance of core subjects for student success. So, its notable proponents were William Bagley, Arthur Besser, and E.D. Hirsch. Its application in educational settings is there's a sample scenario. In high schools, following essentialism, Mr. Davis is an English teacher who emphasizes the importance of literature and language skills. So he conducts engaging discussion on classic novels, encourages critical thinking, and sets high standards for writing assignments. Students learn to appreciate the power of language and develop strong communication skills under his guidance. So that would be okay.